Hello, my name is Caroline, and today I'm doing an update on my 3D printer and installing a new plugin called the Spaghetti Detective. The Spaghetti Detective will notify me via email or text if my 3D print goes haywire. I'll install and demo the Spaghetti Detective. Now let's get started. Now, I assembled my ANET A8 over a year ago, and I've really enjoyed using it. I've been able to make decorations and use pieces. In previous videos, I've covered making a phone case, a soap mold, the enclosure around my 3D printer, and of course, OctoPrint. I've covered a few plugins on OctoPrint, one where I can ask my Amazon Echo for my print status, and also where I can monitor my prints when I'm not on my home network. Now we are at the next evolution of print monitoring. We now have an OctoPrint plugin where we can detect if your print is going haywire, and it will send you an email or a text message to let you know. It's called the Spaghetti Detective, and it's made by the same developer I featured previously on my channel called getanywhere.io. Previously, I could monitor my prints from outside my home network. By the way, that plugin worked great, but it is at the end of its life and being replaced by the Spaghetti Detective. Now, let me start a screen record on my computer. This video assumes that you have the latest version of OctoPrint up and running with a webcam on your 3D printer, like this. If you aren't up to this point, I'll link to a video where I set up OctoPrint with a webcam in the description field below. From my OctoPrint, I'll show you my 3D printer is on and my webcam is working. Now let's hit the wrench icon. And let's go to my plugins, plugin manager specifically. And now I'm going to look for OctoPrint Anywhere, and I am going to disable it. And I need to restart it in order to do that. So let me restart it and I'll be right back. This step is only necessary if you already have OctoPrint Anywhere. I featured, as I just mentioned, I featured OctoPrint Anywhere on a previous video, and now the next evolution by the same developer is now the Spaghetti Detective. We have to first disable OctoPrint Anywhere. All right, we're ready to reload our OctoPrint. It is now rebooted. So if you are using OctoPrint Anywhere, as you can see, it is being succeeded by the Spaghetti Detective by the same developer. If you go to thespaghettidetective.com, you can get all of the information about Spaghetti Detective. And then let's go to OctoPrint. We have rebooted our OctoPrint. I'm going to hit connect to reconnect to my 3D printer. Excellent. Now let's go into the wrench icon and let's go back to my plugin manager. And now I'm going to hit get more at the bottom. And from here I'm going to type in spaghetti and I'm going to find the Spaghetti Detective. I'm going to hit install and I'm going to install the Spaghetti Detective. Excellent, I have successfully installed the Spaghetti Detective and I need to restart my OctoPrint. Restart that now. And this will take a couple minutes. I'll be right back. And let me reload my OctoPrint. And here we go. Okay, the Spaghetti Detective. I need to sign up for an account, add the printer, and obtain token, and then copy the secret token below. All right, so let's sign up for an account. And I'll hit sign up. And I'll hit add printer and give my printer a shiny new name, ANET. When a potential failure is detected, just notify me or pause the printer and notify me. And of course there are advanced settings here of things that you can do that happen when the print is paused. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it at the default settings of pause the printer and notify me. I'll hit next. And then it says I need to make sure I installed the Spaghetti Detective plugin. I have done that. Next. And I am going to copy my token and paste it into my OctoPrint. I'm going to hit test, see if that works. My secret token is valid. And I'm going to hit finish. Now I'm going to hit connect to connect my OctoPrint back to my printer. Now my webcam, I can see it is on and it's operational. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send a print job over right now. So I've got this octopus that I want to print. I'm going to hit print with OctoPrint. I'm going to send the data to OctoPrint. And here we go. Here is my octopus. And it is going to start heating up my printer. we're gonna let this print. I'll be right back. And we're back. I have been printing for about 36 minutes now. Fortunately or unfortunately, my print job has yet to fail. And it's getting late here, so I'm gonna have to end this video. I'm just gonna show you what the Spaghetti Detective looks like on my desktop so that it monitors. It says that the print job is looking good. Another thing I want to note before we move on is that from your email address here, you can click on Preferences and you can enter your first and last name, but for email, we've got send failure alerts to a verified email address, send print job notifications to email address. And if you would like a text message, then you can go and, wow, they've got all the countries here. There's a lot of countries here. I'm in the US and I can type in my phone number and it will send me a text message if it doesn't work. All right, so let's try that. I'm gonna hit save. Let's see if that works. Okay, now my preferences have been saved successfully. My phone is on the 5G network. It is not on Wi-Fi, and I can clearly see my print job. Oh, okay, there's a little trick for this. You just touch the little box and it should just reopen here. There it goes. All right, so I am monitoring my print job from my phone. It looks good. I'm watching for failures. I can pause it. Let's see if I can pause it. All right, I have paused it from my 5G network, so I'm not on my home network, and I can hit resume, and it should start right back up again, hopefully. It might take a while. Oh, I hear it. Okay, there it goes. It finally restarted. Excellent, and it seems to be working. So that's as far as I can go right now in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Spaghetti Detective. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye now.